In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Google Sheets. Locking cells in Google Sheets is a great way to prevent unwanted editing by others, especially when you're collaborating on important data sets. Whether you're working on a group project or managing a spreadsheet with sensitive information, knowing how to protect your data ensures it stays accurate and secure. Let's dive into the process. First, determine whether you want to lock specific cells or an entire sheet. Suppose you need to lock only certain cells that contain sensitive or critical data. In that case, you should start by highlighting those specific cells. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells you want to protect. If you wish to lock the entire sheet, simply click the Sheet tab located at the bottom of your screen. This will ensure that no unintended changes can be made to your carefully curated data. Once you've selected the cells or the sheet, the next action is to make a right-click. In the menu that pops up, look for and select the option that says View More Cell Actions. This will expand into further options where you'll need to click on Protect Range. This step initiates the process of securing your selected cells or sheet. To the right of your screen, you'll see a panel appear. This panel is your control center for managing protections. Look for the option that says Add a Sheet or Range and give that a click. It's here that you can input ranges or select entire sheets that you'd like to protect. Now let's set some permissions. Click on the button labeled Set Permissions, and this brings up another panel where you can fine-tune who has access to make changes to these protected areas. By default, Google gives some flexibility, allowing you to manage how securely you want to protect your data. The penultimate step involves choosing how you want restrictions to be applied. When prompted, select Restrict who can edit this range. This allows you to specify precisely who can make edits. You have the option to choose Only You, ensuring that you're the sole editor with rights to make changes. Alternatively, you can type in the email addresses of specific people who should have editing abilities. This collaboration feature can be quite handy if you're managing a project with a small team of trusted individuals. Finally, after customizing who can access and edit the data, hit the Done button. This action confirms your selections and securely locks in your protections. Your selected cells or the entire sheet, depending on what you chose to protect, is now locked from unauthorized edits. Remember that managing permissions in Google Sheets is not only about securing data, but also about promoting accountability and transparency. It ensures that only the intended users can make alterations, maintaining the integrity of your data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your Google Sheets security. Happy data managing.